Are you looking to improve your property's value through your paved assets? Maybe you just need to mitigate risk by making some repairs, or perhaps you need a long-term roadmap to get your property where it needs to be. In this video, we will be covering our products and services, and if Ram Pavement is the right partner for your pavement needs. Hi, I'm Rob Miller, President of Ram Pavement. Here at Ram Pavement, we do work in the commercial industrial sectors such as asphalt repairs, concrete repairs, pavement markings, asphalt milling, paving, flat work, sidewalk, ADA handicap, curb and gutter, crack sealing, mastic seal coating, pavement markings, and thermoplastic markings. Every business owner has a paved asset, and that's your parking lot. At Ram Pavement, it's our job to make that safe and get you a return on investment. We actually look at the entire property from the lens of what does the return on investment need to be for this client. A return on investment for paved asset is like this. If we spend money correctly every 3 to 5 years over the 15 to 20 year lifespan of the pavement, you can actually defer the cost of reconstructing that entire pavement prematurely. So if a pavement's supposed to last 15 years and you maintain it every 3 to 5 years with our maintenance program, you actually can wait to the 20-year life cycle before you have to do anything. One of the things we do at Ram Pavement to maintain your parking lot is to seal coat the parking lot. It's not just beautifying your parking lot, it's actually protecting your pavement. Done every 3 to 5 years, you can maintain your pavement for another 10 or 12 to 15 years. Seal coating is most often done on any commercial property, shopping centers, HOAs, restaurants, office parks, hospitals, anywhere where there's asphalt, seal coating can be put down. At Ram Pavement, we do maintenance items such as crack sealing and mastic. Mastic installation is for cracks wider than 1.5 inches. This is actual asphalt material that's melted to about 500 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, made liquid, and then applied to the cracks manually. Our other option for maintenance for cracks less than 1/2 inch wide is hot pour crack sealant. Hot pour crack sealant is where we melt rubber at 475 degrees Fahrenheit, apply it mechanically through a wand into the cracks, and it's actually set up and cured with sand. One of the best things you can do for your parking lot to maintain the life of it is to prevent water intrusion. We apply hot pour crack sealant to all cracks in parking lots prior to seal coating or paving. Another service we provide at Ram Pavement is concrete repairs. It could be sidewalk repairs, curb repairs, dumpster corral repairs. We also do a lot of ADA work. This could be handicap ramps, this could be sidewalks with the correct slope. We also do handicap signage and pavement markings to accommodate the ADA work. We're also found in a lot of neighborhoods doing punch-out work, removing all the sidewalks and curb and gutters so that communities can turn their roads over to the cities or states. Another thing we do at Ram Pavement is asphalt milling. Asphalt milling is the most efficient way to take out a parking lot and put it back. It used to be we had to take it out mechanically with skid steers and backhoes, but with milling machines we can mechanically remove the pavement, put it in the back of the dump truck immediately. As the dump truck returns with new asphalt, put the new asphalt down. This speeds up the process tremendously for a parking lot. I would say with a parking lot that was 10,000 square yards, taken out with the skid steer may take a week, which we can do now in 2 days. At Ram Pavement, we're unique because we do thermoplastic markings as well. We're actually melting rubber to 475 degrees, adding glass beads and applying it to the roadways. This makes it safe for your patrons. They can see in the night and the rain with these markings. The last 5% is the most important part of the job. It's what we're most passionate about here at Ram Pavement. And what that means is getting the job done all the way, grabbing the safety cones, walking the property with the stakeholders to make sure the scope of work is done, making sure we leave the site better than it was when we got there. Whether our clients live in San Diego, Atlanta, or in Charlotte, they know the job's done right because they got Ram Pavement on the job, focused on the last 5% of the job. At this point, you may be wondering what the costs are for pavement services. Well, that depends. Our main ingredient is asphalt, and asphalt is a derivative of fuel. So when fuel goes up, so does the price of asphalt. On the flip side of that, when fuel goes down, asphalt pricing can go down. It's really hard to predict how much a project's going to cost until we actually do a thorough assessment of the property. Here's a short list of some of the minimum charges and some of the costs that we can provide for you. Our concrete crews will go out with a trip charge of about $2,500. Pavement markings typically have a minimum charge of about $600. Crack sealing has a minimum charge of about $500. Our seal coating crews go out with a trip charge of about $2,500. Asphalt seal coating can be done for 85 cents to $1.50 a square yard. Asphalt patching generally ranges somewhere between $120 and $150 per ton to remove and replace. If you have any more questions, please try our live chat on the website, where we can answer you immediately with any kind of questions you have about your paved asset. And if you're ready, hit the request a quote button. Someone from our sales team will reach out to you within 24 hours to take care of your paved asset. Thanks again and have a great day.